Hello, and welcome to Sharing Science. If you've ever looked into astronomy, you may have heard of the term red giant. This is the unofficial term for a star nearing the end of its life that has inflated rapidly to an enormous size and has become dimmer and redder as a result. After this, it's only a matter of time before the star violently implodes and ends its life in a brilliant flash of light we call a nova. If you think about it for a second, this seems strange, doesn't it? If a star implodes, that is, it gets much smaller as it's dying. Why would it expand to many times its original size just before doing that? Why wouldn't it just gradually get smaller? Well, it all has something to do with a key idea: balance. In a star's life, it is always balancing between two forces: gravity and the outward pressure from fusion. When a star forms, gravity pulls nearby gases, made mostly of hydrogen, together with such force that the hydrogen atoms actually fuse into helium. When this happens, so much energy is released that it pushes the rest of the hydrogen outward. This creates a kind of tug-of-war between the two forces. The gravity keeps pulling the hydrogen closer together, but this causes more fusion, which causes the star to expand outward. Eventually, these two forces reach a balance where neither one can win, and the star's size is relatively constant for millions, if not billions of years. So, if this is the case, what is it that would cause a star to expand outwards so suddenly? Well, that all has to do with fuel. Remember that a star is fusing hydrogen into helium, so just like an engine in a car that needs gas to run, the star needs more hydrogen to fuse in its core to remain stable. But unlike an engine that sputters and dies on the side of the road, when a star runs out of fuel, gravity begins to win, pushing the star further inward, beginning the implosion process. However, this increases the pressure in the center of the star, and the star begins to fuse something new: helium. This fusion creates high amounts of energy and pushes the outer material of the star further out, while gravity continues to push inward on the core, allowing helium to continue fusing into heavier elements, ultimately allowing the star as a whole to expand into what we know as a red giant. Finally, when the helium and heavier elements all get fused into iron, the heaviest natural element, the star has finally run out of tricks. No more elements can be fused naturally, and so gravity wins, rapidly imploding the star. Its life is over. Or is it? As the star implodes, so much pressure is generated that the outer shell of the star is ejected out into space. And one day, long into the future, gravity just may collapse these stellar remains once again into a new star, thus beginning the cycle all over again. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the first official Sharing Science video and really is only a taste of what this channel is going to be about. Sharing Science is all about educating people about science in a way that is interesting and is on a level that they can understand. Because of this, most videos will be general concept videos like this one, but there will be some more technical videos as well for those of you that really like to get a deeper understanding. If you like the channel and what we're trying to do here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when new content comes out. Also, if you have anything you'd like to see in an upcoming video, please leave a comment down below. Thank you again so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.